Hi everyone, this is Judy and today I'll be showing you how I make my mini Jingle Bell earrings. You will need some mini bells, and I got these at Target out of the $1. They were $1 in the dollar bin. You will need some wire earring hooks. This is silver, or if you're going to make gold, you would need gold ones like this. And you will need some jump rings. These jump rings. These are jump rings. These are silver ones. And if you're going to do gold, you would need gold jump rings like these. And I made a whole bunch of these. And my daughter gave some to her friend. They were made for my daughter's friend. And I'm going to make the green pair. I'm going to make green ones. And these are them little bells. They're so little. They got the little hook at the top. It's like a lever where you can put your jump ring in there. Right here. Okay. I'm going to make I'm going to do the silver ones. Show you how to do silver. You just get a jump ring, a silver jump ring, and get your flat nose pliers. And these are the bent nose ones. And you just spread this apart like that. You have to split it apart so you can put and it'll look like this. I don't know if you can see it. I split it apart. See how I split like that? And then you would take this and stick it up in top of the bell like that. Then you take your earring wire and put that on top. Put that through there like that. And then you take your tool and you close that slit back up. And these are easy to make. You set that slit back up so you won't lose your bell on it. I don't know if you can see it, it's so blurry. But you shut that slit back up like that. And there's one Jingle Bell earring already made. And then you just take your other one and do the same. Get your jump ring. See, it's got a little slit right there that you you can split it apart. Put one on this end and one on that end, and just split it apart. like that. And like I said, you have the little, see how I split it apart like right there? You're going to take your little jingle bell, and it's got like that little hole up in the top right there. Right there, it's got the little hole. You're going to take this here and slip in that little hole at the top right there. And you're going to take your earring wire and slip through here like that. Hold it where it don't fall out, and then shut up your little slit here so your bell don't fall off. And it would be like that when you get done. And you'll have a set of Jingle Bell earrings. Now to give them for gifts, you would have to make an earring card for it. So to make the earring card, I use my earring card maker here. And I got this from Amazon. And it looks like this. It looks like that. Let me shut these up. Get them out of the way. And it would look like that. That's how it looks. And you cut your card with your paper. Cut out a card like that. I'll tell you how big I cut the card. With your paper cutter, trimmer. Oh, let me get it the other way. This one is like a little bit over 2 3/4 of an inch. And wait a minute. That's 2 5/8 inches, I think. No, that ain't. This is now I measured this side wrong. From side to side is 1 end. Is that 7/8 of an inch? And then you got I don't know, it's this big. That's how big I cut the card. Okay, and then I just take my earring card maker and I put it up under here. I'll make sure I got it even. And then I just press down on this and it puts little holes into the card like that. Then you can take your earrings and put the little hole like that. And there's Jingle Bell earrings. That's a little bill, how it looks at the bottom. And then if you want to put a little backing on the back, I usually do because people lose them earrings a lot. So I just take and put a little plastic backing on there. You can get these little plastic backings at these are clear and they go on the back of the earring so you don't lose them. They can keep them on there. And you put it on the back here. So to keep you from losing your earrings. And you just put them on, and you can give these for a gift. See how they fall off the card if you didn't have that on there? This is earring backing to keep you from losing your earrings when you wear them. And to keep it from losing it off the card. And they look like that. A cute little gift to give to somebody. My Jingle Bell earrings. And you can get all these earring making things at Michael's. You can get the plastic backings and the jump rings in silver or gold. And the earring wires, you can get them in silver or gold, all at Margaret's or any craft store. And I make a lot of earrings, so I just cut up a lot of cards, so when I make them, I'll have all my cards cut up. And all I have to do is punch the hole in them. So, this is my Christmas mini bell earring tutorial. And I hope that you like them. Here they go again. And I made a lot of these and gave to my friends. And my daughter's friends and my sisters. And they're cute little Christmas earrings to wear. Thanks for watching my tutorial on the mini bell Christmas earrings. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. And Merry Christmas. Hope you get crafty making some earrings. Bye-bye.